effortless meal preparation hack while you're living in Mexico. From a baby aluminum rice cooker on the right to this wonderful stainless steel gift. It's Amazon. Look, Amazon box. And that's my birthday present from my son. Oh my gosh. I got this little one here as a gift, but it's single serve, and you can do for 2 people. And it's better just for white rice, which is not really good for us. I put it here because it spurts and spits, and I have to put towels around it if I put brown rice. White rice, it does fine. And this is aluminum. And this is stainless steel for 6 cups. And I know it's not gonna spit and spur because it says it does brown rice. Guess what we're eating today? Oh my gosh, look, no more guessing. No more guessing. We will not lose this little jewel. Guys, if you come to live here, you need something with measuring. Really, don't get ounces, don't get quarts. You're gonna need liters and milliliters. But when you buy, of course, when you buy these products, it's okay. And it's better if you can have a plastic measuring cup. Yes, I'm so excited. On that little one, which I don't want anymore, of course, because I've upgraded so that I can make more, not just for one. And I already tried oatmeal on that one, and it works great. It really does. And I've seen on YouTube you can make all kinds of things in here. I can't wait. Speaking of doing all kinds of things, this, oh my goodness gracious, this is gonna be fun. And I really can't spend as much time in the kitchen as I used to, so this is gonna be a real godsend. Thank you, son. So here we have chicken and vegetable soup, and it's got chipotle in it and epazote. Look up epazote. You'll be amazed. I keep telling guys to look that up for all the values in it. Our new rice, cooker rice. Now these are, I'm gonna try to make this something like, this isn't the healthiest, but hey, it's Sunday, we're having fun. And so this is what I wanna do with this. Something like a chili killy. Okay? Yay. That's it. Be sure to subscribe and share and hit like to help our channel out. Will you be booking flights, hotel rooms, or a cruise? Use our link below to help us out. Do you need to be able to read your mail while you're living in Mexico? Do you need travel insurance or health care insurance in Mexico? Let us be your expat coach for Huatulco. Go to our website and book a consultation call or a boot camp training tour. Come on down to Almost Heaven Huatulco. We'll see you soon. Life where? In Mexico.